Reliable sources reported that Manipur government is planning to convene its first cabinet meeting for this year on 22nd of January. According to the report, Secretary to the Chief Minister, Ningthaujam Geoffrey, has issued a notification yesterday about the cabinet meeting. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren is expected to travel by helicopter to Tamenglong district for the meeting on 22nd of January. The report also suggested that the Chief Minister is planning to inaugurate some development projects and lay foundation for the upcoming project in the district. The State Planning Department has been notified about the inauguration and foundation, while Tamenglong DC has been instructed to discuss with Cabinet Department about the upcoming meeting. Administrative secretaries were also informed to submit relevant documents about the projects to the Director of Planning Department. Home Department has also been instructed to take up security measures, while Transport Department was given directives to provide helicopter service for the dignitaries.